What's up, you guys? RPA Trucking and Survival. So I got haters because of my views on OTR, the local. Local by far, way better. I'm always gonna say it. Depending on what it is that you're doing. If you're just starting out, you just got your CDL, it's not worth it to me to be over the road for 36, 35 cents a mile. And hey man, if you don't have haters about your views and your opinions, then you're doing something wrong, right? Isn't that what they say? So anyway, been catching a lot of flack lately. Guys just talking shit. Hey man, this is what I have to say to that. People don't talk shit to those who are doing worse than them. Okay? If you're doing better than me, hey man, then you're doing better than me. But I know that you're not because you talk too much crap. Hey man, it is what it is. Now, for you new CDL owners out there, okay, you just got your CDL with maybe Knight or Swift or whatever, telling you up front, telling you straight up, you ain't gonna make the money that you think you're gonna make. It's gonna be a grind to get where you wanna be. And I accomplished my short-term goal, JB Hunt, within 2 months of possessing my CDL. JB Hunt has been good to me, and now I'm getting home every single day. I make $215 a day. That's day rate. And like I said, now I'm local, and I'm home every day. Now, that's making more and worth more than OTR. It's worth more than being away from your family every day. Staying out on that road for 36, 37 cents a mile, no thank you. On top of that, you just got your CDL, don't settle. You got 10 hours in between driving that you have to rest. Use a couple of those hours to work on your physical fitness, your nutrition, and put in those applications. Like I said, I can only recommend JB Hunt. I've only worked for Knight and JB Hunt. That's it. I'm happy where I'm at. Very pleased with where I'm at. I mean, come on guys, look at what you've accomplished. So you got your CDL, and especially for somebody like me, where I was making $15.50 an hour, and then I took a huge hit in pay. I took a huge chance by going to get my CDL. I knew I wasn't gonna make good money there at Knight. It wasn't gonna be great. For those of you who are at Knight or Swift or whatever, make sure that you go dry van or refrigerated. You'll make okay money. If you go port and rail, for you family men out there, you ain't gonna pay the bills at all. Okay? 'Cause I remember it was bad as far as money. It was bad. And there was really no land in sight, so to speak. So dry van or refrigerated is where that's gonna be at. But don't stop putting in your applications. Don't stop there. You can achieve more. You know what you're worth, so go get it, right? For those that have, I've been catching some pretty nasty messages from you guys, and it's cool, but that's why I'm making, one of the reasons why I'm making this video, mostly to help out those that do seek more home time and more money, because I'm telling you, if you come to JB Hunt, you're gonna make more money and be home way more. When I first came on with JB Hunt, I only had 2 months of driving experience. They still took me. They required 3. And running a regional, good money, damn good money. And I was home 4 days a week. How about that? 4 days a week I was home. And now I'm home every day, getting that day rate of $215 per day. And a lot of times you can make more than that. Anyway, if you want to know how that works, there's other videos on that. But this video is centered on that whole OTR local thing. All right, man. So you already made the big accomplishment of getting your CDL. Like I said, don't stop there. Achieve more. Like especially for me, understand where it is that I came from. I was making $15.50 an hour before going over to night transportation to get, training, get my CDL and all that good stuff. So, I took a chance, took a big chance. And I knew that I had to make something happen. Not only did I have to learn how to maneuver a truck in 3 weeks, but I already had my sights set on JB Hunt, where I wanted to be as a short-term goal. And I've accomplished that. And I don't care what anybody says or all the shit that they talk. Hey, man. For most of you talking crap, I make more than you, and I'm home every day. Straight up. That's the God's honest truth. Yeah, there might be some times I make the same as you, but don't lie, man. We've compared checks. All right, so stop talking your bullshit. Anyway, moving on. You brand new guys. All right, you just got your CDL. Congratulations. Don't stop there, man, because I'm telling you, where you're at right now, they're not going to pay you what you're worth. So go out there, chase and get what you're worth. You can inbox me, email me. I will help you out. Okay? I've befriended people that make $8,000 a week. And that's where I'm striving to get to. Just don't have the experience yet, but I will soon. I'll have the experience, I'll have the truck, and I'll be in the right industry, or the right type of work in the industry. Okay? So anyway, moving on from that, this whole COVID-19 thing, you can't figure out how to make a mask, you can't buy a mask. You haven't been able to figure out how to make one. This is a coffee filter. You can put it in a bandana, put it over your face. You gotta test these masks that you guys are getting too. Most of the time, they're gonna be some whack-ass masks. You gotta make sure that the aerosol does not penetrate it. As you can see, none of that is penetrating. Now, these are available on Amazon. They're called Shmogs. These have a very great deal number of uses. Multi-purpose. They're good for dust storms. They're good for fashioning a tourniquet. They're good for creating char cloth. They're good for stopping super heavy bleeding. Shmogs. Their numbers of uses just don't stop. If you don't know what char cloth is, you basically rip off pieces of cotton or cotton material, put it in a tin can, put it in the fire, becomes char cloth. You can strike an ember and create a fire out of that. There are very many great uses. Anyway, I'll put a filter up in this thing, like such, right? Put it over my face like this. I'll fold it over with the filter in between it, put it over my face, and I have a makeshift face mask. Okay? If I'm sick, whatever it is that I have, it ain't getting out to infect my family. It's gonna stay right in here. And all I gotta do is wash it. That's it. All I gotta do is wash it, like you gotta wash all those other masks that you're buying out there. Simple as that. And then it's still big enough where you can pull it down when you want to. And there you have it. And they're freaking warm, super warm. I've been warm with these things in like 55 degrees, and I just put this on, and I'm warm. Or I just wrap it up like this around my neck. Just like that. Simple as that. Warm. So anyway, I hope this video has been informative. I hope for you new drivers out there that just got your CDL that you take this this information, absorb it, strive for more, stay on your grind. You've already proven that you're ambitious by going out there and learning what it is you need to learn to maneuver that truck. So don't stop there. Don't settle. Keep striving for more. Put in those applications as soon as you start your training, as soon as you finish that training, as soon as you've become a little more proficient. Okay? JB Hunt has great trainers. I gotta admit, I've received better training at JB Hunt than I did at night. Far superior. And that's just the truth. I'm always gonna report the truth. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, all right? I'm not bashing night transportation. Like I've been saying through all my videos, it's a great place to start, but it's not the place that I wanted to stay. And that's why I'm not there anymore. Straight up, all right? Anyway, take this, everything that I said for what it is. It is what it is. You know, I took the big hit from where I was originally working to taking that hit in pay. I told myself I was gonna make it happen, and I made it happen. I've reached my short-term goal. I have other goals that I've set, and you best damn believe that I'm gonna accomplish those too, and so will you. RPA Trucking Survival. Take care, you guys. See you on the road.